Alright, what's up everybody? I got another time lapse for you today, but this time it's going over some of the work I've been doing on the website. I've just been trying to get things kind of laid out and see what I can flesh out in terms of what's working, what's not, different design elements that I kind of want to have working within the website. And I also have some case studies, and we'll kind of showcase those. Definitely want to have a decent number of those so that I can, display what I'm capable of doing. But for right now, nothing's done or even close to being finished. But one thing I can say is I definitely need to work on kind of figuring out the language and how I want to speak about Never Idle design, because that's something I'm finding to be a little difficult, finding my voice for the brand. So yeah, just enjoy the time lapse and see you next time. So in experimenting with my website layout and kind of the aesthetic, I just wanted something very user-friendly and clean, but bold and has good language that can kind of help guide you through the website and the experience. And so here we have my portfolio pages. And once again, nothing here is final. These are just kind of, just wanted to get things out, see how they start to look. Different types of projects. Like here we have Crispy Media. Shout out to Chris. Done a ton of work for him, and hopefully continue to do a bunch of work for him because it's a lot of fun. But this is a mix of illustration and graphic design. Here we had a rebranding of a friend's personal brand, Own Garrity. Did a logo and sort of the visual aesthetic for his website and marketing. And then Spirit Slaps, once again, kind of spoke a little bit about this in the last video. This is my own company, so I can kind of mess around a little more, and just the layout of things is what I'm still working with, because I want to make it understandable to any person looking at my website. Even a little bit of social media marketing for iBox. So even though that wasn't a big project, just has it there so that shows that I'm capable of work like that. And then just some of the logos I've done in the past year, because I've spoke on doing that. And this is definitely in its infancy, really trying to dial in the voice of the company still, and have a shop and blog that would like to start in the future when the website actually gets going, and then the contact. So yeah, that's where we're at right now, and I think the next video will be kind of going into how I'd like the company to start sounding. So thank you.